What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube channel. Now I am on desktop, but if you go on mobile and just go to youtube.com, you'll be able to do this as well. You won't be able to do it through the app, but like I said, youtube.com and you can do this. And actually, to start this out, you're actually going to be changing the link a little bit. Just add a backslash and go to account. This is a simple way to take you to your account page. So it's going to be youtube.com/account. I'll link it at the top if you're not sure. And once you're at this page here, you're going to go ahead and click Advanced Settings all the way down on the sidebar to the left. And once you get to this screen, you could see about 5 options down there. It's going to be an option to delete your account. It is in blue text there. If you click on that, it's going to take you to this screen here where it is your email address that is associated with your YouTube account. And you're just going to have to enter your password and just confirm that you want to delete it. It's kind of a complicated process just because YouTube doesn't want hackers just coming in and easily being able to delete it. So you just have to answer some questions, make sure that they can confirm that it's you, and then from there they will allow you to delete your YouTube account. And I believe it takes 30 days to fully delete, or it'll disappear off the website automatically, but you have 30 days to restore your account if you change your mind. After those 30 days are up though, your YouTube channel is permanently gone and deleted, and there's no way you could get it back. But that's all there is to it, to deleting your YouTube channel. If you had any questions or were confused on how this worked, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.